Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Hybrid Server Pro Core and this is lab 10.6.10 and we are going to modify quota limit. So while the cop file server was configured, a 5 MB disk quota warning for the D drive was applied to the administrator's account. As a result, the server logs many warning messages. So in this lab, your task is to remove all quota limit for the administrator's account. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let us go ahead and start up lab right away. So in case you find this tutorial to be helpful to you, you might also want to consider joining our professional membership where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking, subscribing and turning on the notification for this channel so that you have access to a wide variety of educational video materials to help you in your educational journey. Alright, so this is loaded and we'll start up right away. So we will go to cop server. Let's go to cop files. Open cop files. Let's go to File Explorer. This PC and D drive. Then we'll go to properties of D drive. Then we'll go to Quota. Let's go to Quota entries. We want to select this, right click and click on properties. And do not limit disk image, so you click OK. Let's close this and go ahead and check answers. If you find this video to be helpful, share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so that you have access to a wide variety of educational video materials to help you in your educational journey. Thank you for watching this video and I will definitely see you in my next video.